Hello there, my name's Annette, Sunbeam Fabric Art. Today I am taking you on a little trip over to a friend's house where we are doing even more plant hammering. My friend has a native garden and she has some beautiful flowers, and we are going to make those beautiful flowers into some beautiful fabric. The first thing I did was get into my stash, and I have this old sheet that I picked up for $5 at an estate sale, and I'm going to cut that sheet up into 12.5-inch squares. I ended up getting a total of about 45 or 50 of these 12.5-inch squares. Quite a deal for $5. I got over to my friend's house and she had all these flowers ready to go, and they are just gorgeous. So many different colors. So my first thing to do was to lay one of my squares down and arrange some flowers, and then I covered it up with another square and I pounded. And what that pounding with the hammer does is it gets some of the coloring and liquids from the plant itself to soak into the fabric. By surrounding the plants with 2 pieces of fabric, I'm getting extra fabric for less work. I strongly recommend using good earplugs for this process. The earplug I was using in my left ear was a little bit loose, and I came home with a ringing left ear. We had a really great time pounding out all these fabrics. When I got home, I set up shop by the kitchen sink. I lined the bottom of the sink and I used the barbecue scraper to scrape the stuff off the fabric. When that was all done, I threw all these fabrics loose like this into the dryer on high heat for probably 40 minutes to set that stain into the fabric. Then I washed the fabrics on cold and dried them again. Then I pressed them. The colors that stayed true were the yellows, the oranges, and the greens. Some of the blues and purples stayed true. For the most part, the reds and pinks faded quite a bit. I can't wait to make a finished quilt out of my flower squares. I think they're adorable. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you back real soon.